Keventer Group has been operating in West Bengal for the last 35 years. Our family has been here for the last 120 years, 200 years. Keventer Group operates in basically two verticals: food and agri, real estate and infrastructure. In food and agri, we are working with more than 35,000 farmers in Bengal. 90% of all our investments till date has been in the state of West Bengal. Most of the upcoming projects that we have thought about are currently in Bengal. The total investment in Bengal today would be in excess of about 1,000 crores. And it's a really, really great environment to be working in. The overall experience has been actually phenomenal. We do work in other states also. We work in Tamil Nadu, we work in Gujarat, we work in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. But in Bengal, the entire environment has been very, very conducive, which is why our corporate headquarters and all our investments are happening in Bengal. In terms of challenges, I don't think any challenges that we face are unique to Bengal. The challenges for any business house is the same whether we're operating in Bengal, Bihar or Gujarat. The challenges are the same. So, when I was actually studying in England and I was actually in a job there. I was between jobs. I was working for Credit Agricole Indosuez and I had got a job offer from Goldman Sachs. And I was here for a vacation for 3 months after finishing my engineering. And from an outsider perspective, as a young guy, I had heard a lot about Bengal. And that it's not a very conducive working environment, there are labor issues, the unions are very strong. So when I was here and I went over to our factory, which I've only played with I played in the factory as a kid, and started talking to some people, and I found out that we have been operating there for 25 years, and now 34 years. And we don't have a single union. We haven't had a single down day. This government is like a family. We work with various governments in India and few of the governments like Government of Ireland and stuff like this. The key difference is that you will have issues, you will have challenges. But what you need is, like a family, when you have a challenge coming up, for all of you to get together and try to find a solution. I think that is something that we have never seen in the past. In the last 2.5, 3 years, any challenge that we have received, there are offices that we can go to, there are people that we can go to at the minister level, at the CM level, and they are willing to listen to what our problems are and they're willing to find a solution which can be achieved. I think it's extremely exciting. I'm a very young guy. I've invested 10 years in the industry of Bengal. I plan to invest the next 30 years in the industry in Bengal. I would not be making this statement if I wasn't enthusiastic about the future of Bengal. You're going to see a large-scale development coming up. We ourselves have planned multiple projects, including our Dankuni project, which the CM announced in Singapore. Come visit us. Don't judge the book by its cover. See what is actually happening. See what we are doing. If I can do it, if Keventer can do it, so can you.